Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and contact Etsy by phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. So for the matter, you have to access the Etsy support because they can suggest you a specific method for you and based on your topic. That can be either chat, phone, or email. So for that we're gonna go to you option below and we will tap on this help center option. Now go ahead, tap on this help center again. Now in this kind of interface gonna appear, right? So first of all, you gotta choose yourself a topic. If you relate with any of them, they will let you have an article and simply you can solve it. Otherwise, you can tap on this contact Etsy support if you want to contact them personally. And now go ahead, choose a method if you're a seller or a buyer. Now tap on this help with an order. You have to choose a reason. First you can choose your order. Okay, you can tap on this I still need help, and you can see now you can find this chat with us because it requires for you to chat with them. You can tap on chat with us and simply chat with them regarding any of your problem. It depends on all of your problems. So for example, if I have a problem with my account, I can tap on it. My account was hacked or something like that. And then I can tap on scale. My password was changed, my email, I don't make this purchase, stuff like that. And I can scroll down, but I still need help, and I can see the email us option. So it genuinely just depends on the kind of problem you're having, and they will suggest you based on that how you can contact them. And that also includes your phone number in some of the problems. That is the way you can solve it. Hope this video was helpful to you all, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.